Hi everyone, welcome to the new module Operators Part 1. In this module, you will be introduced to the operators of Java, and we will mainly be focusing on the arithmetic operators. We'll do lots of tasks that are related to the arithmetic operators. Then at the end, we will be covering one of the two typecastings that we have in Java, known as the primitive typecastings. So let's get started. So far, we have learned a lot, okay? And if we want to write a program that like this that can convert the Celsius to the Fahrenheit, our current knowledge is almost enough. Okay? You already know how to create a Java program, how to create variables, how to use the variables, and how to use the print statement to print output to the console. Okay? So if I need to write a program for converting the Celsius to the Fahrenheit, I can still create a class, create the main method, and create the variables that are needed. And then I could also use print statement to display the output at the end. But the only thing that is missing so far to complete this program that we haven't learned it yet is the computation. Okay, how to write the program that can perform computation is what is missing, and that's exactly what operators are all about in Java. Okay, so the operators, it allows us to write a program that can perform computations. So whenever you need to perform a computation in your program, then you would have to use the operators of Java. And the operators in Java are the arithmetic operators, unary operators, assignment operators, relational operators, and the logical operators. We are going to use one of those operator types to perform computation in programming. Okay, and before you use the operators, yes, you should also know the definition of the operand. Okay, you see, an operator, it allows you to perform computation in programming, right? Because operator is that symbol or a keyword, and every time when you use that symbol or keyword, it tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical operations. That's how we can use the operators to perform computations. Okay? And the computations, they need to be performed on the operands. Okay? So the definition of operand is it is usually a value, a constant value or just a regular value or a variable on which an operation is performed by an operator. So you apply the operator to an operand or two operands or multiple operands, and then the operator is going to perform the operations on those operands and they return you the new result at the end. So for example, I have operator like this, plus operator. Okay, I can apply this plus operator to those two operands. The variable that we have here is an operand on the left side of this plus operator, and this value 5 that we have here is also another operand which is on the right side of this plus operator. Okay, so this plus operator, it is going to perform this operation on those two operands and returns us the new result at the end. Okay, so make sure you know the definition of operator and operands. And the operator, the operator types in Java are categorized into three main categories. First category is unary operators. So the unary operators are the special type of operators that can be that works with one single operand only. Okay, it works with the single operand, so that you don't need additional operand in order to perform the operations of this operator. Okay. And we also have binary operators, which works with two operands. So in order to be able to use the binary operators, you need to have two operands. One operand on the left and one operand on the right, so that this binary operators can perform the operations on those two operands. So that's the difference between binary operators and the unary operators. For the unary operators, as long as there's one operand, you will always be able to apply them. We have the operators like minus, negative, positive, which we will only apply it to one single operand. And then binary operators are the operators like, for example, the arithmetic operators, the one that you are about to learn very soon. Every time when you use those operators, you need to have two operands. Okay. And then the last type of operators that we have are the ternary operators. Okay. So the ternary operators in Java, it works with three operands, which you will learn it in the near future. And in our next video, we will be talking about the arithmetic operators, and we'll do some practices with the arithmetic operators. Thank you so much, everyone. See you all in the next video.